We've heard in the past hospital horror stories. Two patients to a bed and patients waiting hours in wheelchairs or on stretchers due to bed shortages at two of the island's major public hospitals, Kingston Public and Victoria Jubilee. We've also heard of efforts to rectify such problems. But while there have been improvements over the years, both are still in need of help. And as needed, so came help from an unlikely source. Dancehall entertainer Rodney Bounty Killer Price, who is known for his hard-hitting lyrics, showed that he had a softer side. A total of 63 beds were donated. Mr. Price says he felt indebted to both facilities.
I was born at the Jubilee Hospital. Unfortunately, when I was 16 years old, I got a stray gunshot and they took me to the Kingston Public Hospital and I spent 9 days. And it was really a dangerous wound. Today, I'm an international artist with a big lung. When I say so, KPH fixed it my lungs.
Hospital officials overjoyed, displaying only one of the lot, telling us that the others were put to use immediately after arriving.
Unfortunately, we do suffer from overcrowding, and unfortunately as well, the budgetary allocation is not sufficient in many instances to provide some of the resources that the hospital needs. So this gift already has been utilized by both institutions.
Even the health minister, Dr. Christopher Tufton, showed up commending the initiative and welcoming more partnership.
Government and by extension taxpayers can't build enough hospitals or provide enough equipment or doctors for a population that requires it, particularly in a developing country context. And anywhere in the world you go, every successful public health institution is supported by significant external support.
This is Jamaica. We are always pressuring the government that they're not doing, and then what are we doing? We all have to pour together and pull out of the situation. Just like this crime that we have here now, everybody looking at the police, but we have to look at ourselves. Moral values and attitude broke down in Jamaica. We all know that. We barely say good morning, good afternoon, excuse. People, we're losing it. We have to get back together.
With your ray of hope, I'm Janella Precious.